Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel again. Today we are going to tell you how to create an effect like this. This is very elegant but very simple to create. So we are going to tell you how to do it. First of all, go to the tools and select quick selection tool and go to the select subject to separate your image separate your subject from your background. We have made a selection, but there is still some area left, so you can remove that. Once you are satisfied with your selection, click Ctrl plus J to separate your subject from your background. Go on to the tools again and click on text and create a text. Once you have created your text, send it back to your subject layer. I will make it a little bit skew to make it look a little bit fancier, but you are free to do whatever you like to do with your text. It's just my choice. So it look good now. Click OK. Create a duplicate of this text, move it above your subject layer, and then double click on your text layer, go to stroke, and I have chosen the size of 8 pixels. The position is outside, the blend mode is normal, and the opacity is 100%. The color is white. Click OK, and then you see no difference here because the magic is still to happen. Go to fill and bring it back to the 0. Now you can see that here you have created a perfectly simple but an elegant effect as we shown you at the start of the video. You can always try to create and play with it and try different things and see how it works out for you. You can always create this effect on your brochures, on your banners, on your websites, and try these beautiful effects. Thank you for watching. Give us your feedback in our comment sections.